Since 1997, we provide desirable, meaningful solutions of disposable personal hygiene products in baby care, feminine care, and incontinence care, pet care categories, through innovation and creativity in a sustainable way that aims to leave a better world for the next generation. Currently, we have 2 manufacturing facilities in Shuanzhou, Fujian, China. Fujian Merak Paper and Fujian Nova Hygiene, covering a total area of 160,000 square meters. Currently, we have 33 production lines for different product categories, with an annual production capacity of up to 6 billion pieces. And 90% of our products are exported to more than 60 countries around the world. We cooperate with major international supermarket chains, pharmacies, and private label brands such as Walmart, Tesco, Aldi, Kohl's, DM, Spar, and so on. Both of our production facilities are certified by many international organizations, including FCCA, BSCI, FDA, BRC, GOTS, ISO, SCAN, CE, GMP, GRS, GMI, and so on. Our production facilities adopt strict measures to ensure the perfectly clean and dust-free environment according to the international standard. And our staff have been professionally trained to ensure the standardization of operation. Our warehouse is spread over an area of 100,000 square meters, provides sufficient and designated storage space for raw materials and finished goods. Equipped with an intelligent digital inventory management system which works through designated QR code for each inventory, which provides complete traceability. Our professional logistics team constantly engage with most of the large shipping companies to support in finalizing an efficient and economical way of shipping. Quality is a pillar of our success. Each of our divisions cultivates the highest level of quality in our products and services. Not simply to maintain it, but also to elevate it as we constantly set even higher standards. Our advanced high-speed production lines are typically equipped with full servo system, metal detective system, and quality assurance vision systems and automatic packaging system. Our integral quality control department consistently monitors the whole manufacturing process, implementing 5 specialized quality checks from raw material assessment to finished goods inspection. This ensures that our products meet the highest quality and performance standards. Creativity and innovation have always been a key to our success and invite exploration of the infinite possibilities offered by new technologies, a major growth path for our organization. We offer turnkey private label solutions for all the product categories in our portfolio. With our professional team, we support our customers in product selection, artwork designing, inner packaging printing, outer packaging printing, and logistics. We never compromise about our ethics and our underlying social and environmental responsibilities. We are committed to ensuring that our products and the way they are made have a positive impact on our entire ecosystem and the places and communities where we operate, and that our group is actively working to build a better future.